Did you know lightning can come back for more?
Come for more.
It's not a one hit and done for sure.
Done for sure, done for sure.
If conditions match and clouds agree, it'll aim again at the same tall tree. Lightning's picky but not that rare.
Not that rare, not that rare.
It seeks the path of least air resist there.